try these on last. I like it. I do it. I'm sucking.
I feel like Scooby Doo, like a dog. Eat the best like Scooby snacks, and I go hard. Go drop it, man, cause he take you far. She drop it too.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to your girl's channel. It's your girl KJ. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a unboxing from a collab that I got through Amazon, and all the products will be in my Amazon storefront, so definitely check it out. But I got two things that I got from Amazon, and I'm super excited to be showing y'all this. Actually, one of the outfits that I got, or the item that I got, I'm actually gonna wear that right now because they match my Jordans. So I'm gonna wear that right now, and I might take pictures later, I don't know. But yeah, so if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. You already know the deal. You know the deal. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. All right, so this is the bag. Okay, let's go ahead and open it. I already opened it. We got some pants. Yeah, we got some pants, and then we have this blue dress. Y'all already know blue is one of my favorite colors, as you can see, girl. So I want to go ahead and open the not so fun thing first. So we're gonna go ahead and open these pants. Open them. So far the quality is really nice. These are from Amazon. Yeah, and they don't stink. They don't stink. Ooh, they don't stink. Okay, I'm gonna definitely try these on for y'all. But this is what they look like. Yes. And they got the drawstring. Do they got pockets? No, these ain't got no pockets. But they real long. And I'm 5'5", so we're gonna try these on. Alright, so this is the other one. This is actually a dress. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it for y'all. The material of it so far is really soft. It definitely stretch. Okay, and I got this in a size, I believe, a medium. Where is this, a medium? Yes, I got it in a medium, and I got the pants in a medium as well. Now, I did lose weight last year, and I've been trying to keep that weight off, but your girl been eating good. So I got a medium in this. This is just what it looks like. It's really, really cute. Blue. It's short too, so we're gonna try this on. Hopefully it ain't too short, because I'm gonna be around babies. Oh wow. Hold up. Bro, ski! Oh, wait a minute. Oh, and I like how it fit right here. It's like, girl, what? What you say? What my grandma say? Now, what you say now, baby? Oh, I like how it's showing the little booty that I got. Hey, wait a minute. Oh, these are comfortable. These are super comfortable. I wish these had pockets. That would be so cute. Girl, I should have tried these on last. And I'm 5. Hold on, wait. I'm 5'5". Okay. This how they pretty long. And they go my belly button right here. They go over my belly button. Girl. Hey, these are freaking cute. They soft. I ain't even hyping it up. I weigh 150 pounds. And I'm 5'5", but don't think though, you feel me? But yeah, bro. Hey. Now if you tall, these might not be for you. I mean, you can probably get away with it. But baby, this go all the way up my torso. This cute. Hey. Okay, I gotta go. All right, we did that. Take some pictures in these. Ooh, these gonna be cute. All right, so the dress looking crazy, but it's okay. I'm about to try this on, and I'm about to take it over. I can't really take it from the bottom. Take it over my head. Take it over the head, you feel me? Let's go ahead, try it out. Oh, dang it, come on, bro. Okay, moment of truth. Let's go ahead. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Oh wait. This is cute. Hey, it's cute. Hey. Okay, so I'm just gonna put my Jordans back on. I'm gonna keep my white socks on, my black socks on. I don't really care, but I'm putting my Jordans on with this. Your girl out of breath. Woo! This is cute with my black purse. It's downstairs. Oh, her leg, and it's like it's not even tight. It's not even tight, y'all. This is cute. I like this. I like it. I do. Hey, 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 hey. This is cute. Y'all. Girl, I don't even know how many colors they got. I think they got blue, green. I think another color. I think they got 3 or 4 colors to choose from. Baby. Hey, y'all better go get y'all. Girl, it's in the Amazon storefront. Go ahead and click the link. Period. Okay, so I'm just gonna put my Jordans back on. I'm gonna keep my white socks on. I mean my black socks. Y'all, this dress is really cute. I'm putting my Jordans on. This is like up close. This is cute and it's soft. I'm finna wear this today. Okay, I kind of want to stand up because I'm about to try this shirt on. Wait. Okay, so it's like 2 days later. I had got a package in the mail from Amazon. It's from the same company, the same brand on Amazon, which will be linked in my description box below. So y'all check that out. Okay, check it out. But I could have sworn I ordered 3 things. Girl, it came yesterday. So along with the other 2 things that I showed in the last clip, this is going to be the last item that came in the mail that I got from this company. Now I don't know if I'm saying it right. Solyhux. Look, it's just gonna be on the screen, okay, and it's also gonna be linked down below in my Amazon storefront, so definitely check it out. But y'all, I just wanted to show y'all, okay. I had to look and be like, what is these? Girl, it's the doggone corset that I ordered, honey. Yes. Okay, so this is what it looked like, y'all. It's cute. This is cute. Like, it's like a silver metallic matte type of feel. Like, it's soft. It is soft, but they have like, with the options, they only had like 3 options, like 3 different colors, and they're 3 different styles. So I think like the black one was like the halter, right? And I think the red one was like, it was something else, or maybe it was like, oh, I mean, red, this color, and brown. I don't know. I was like, let me go ahead and get the silver because I ain't got nothing silver in my wardrobe. So yeah, and I like how it looking like a little heart. Y'all, yeah, this the front and this is the back. Okay, okay, this is what the back look like. It got the strings. Okay, this is the front. Cute, very cute. We're gonna go ahead and try it on. Okay, to get into this. Okay, it's not working. It's only not working because I'm not trying to, these strings are long, bro. I'm not trying to take them apart because I already know if I take it apart, it's done for. And ain't nobody here to help me put this together. Ain't nobody here to help me. I'm here by myself. I'm gonna have to undo it some more just so I can shimmy in this so y'all can see. Okay, I have my thing over here, but as y'all can see, I'm trying to undo it, like just stretch it. I need to get into it though, but I'm not trying to stretch it too much because this ain't cute. This why I said I need help. Do this with some help, okay? Make sure you got help at home, because baby, you're gonna be struggling like me trying to get into it. Because I know I'm not, my back not this wide now. It's not this wide, but this is cute though. It do adjust. You know, it got the little back padding, which I thought was cute too. It's white on the inside, so you might need help getting into this. Okay. After I tried to shimmy in this, I just went ahead and undid everything. I didn't want to because I was being lazy. But this how it is. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and fix the back because it looks crazy and ferocious. Eee, so I'm gonna have to suck all that back in there. But so far, it's cute. I am gonna take my little bralette off and show y'all. But yes, honey, this is cute. I need a skirt for these, baby. Dang, it came out. Hold on. We need that to go back in. See, this part right here is what I don't like. That's why I never did corsets. That's exactly why. Cause girl, what? What? I know you see all this crap. I'm trying to figure it out, guys. I'm trying to figure it out. Like, I gotta turn it around once I get it going. Cause it's getting tight. It is getting tight, okay? We gotta clean it up because it looks crazy. But I need to be as tight as possible so my boobs can sit up. I don't see how the people did it back in the day. Cause what? You say I gotta do what now? I gotta wear what? I see why they ran away. I see why. I'm trying to get the bottom together now. Okay. Woo! Alright, we just gonna tie this up. See how long this string is? This string is super long. And it's sucking in my stomach too. Okay. We're gonna go ahead. You see? This is really long. Who want all that? Hold on, let me do 2 bows then. Cause girl, what? Okay, now we gotta go on. Ooh, look at the figure. Hey. Okay, let's go ahead. Oh, look at the figure. Period. Okay. Yeah, it look like we be in the gym, but this is the back of it. So I'm just gonna turn it around. I'm gonna try to turn it around. Hold on, what way is it going? I think it's going this way. So I'm gonna try to turn it around. Look it in. This is why I don't do corsets. This is exactly why. Okay, her looking a mess, but that's okay. Okay. Oh, I'm hungry too. It look like I already ate. Okay, so look at the figure. Period. Okay. Okay, that was easy. Okay. This is cute. I am going to style it. Oh yeah, this is cute. I had to take off my bralette so y'all can see. Now it just makes me want to get rid of this part. It ain't gonna suck nothing in, so don't think it's gonna suck nothing in, okay? But I did lose some weight. So it's cute though. I like it. I like it. It's cute. I'm sucking it real quick. It's cute, but you can make it tighter. I don't have it tight for real. But this is the back. I have to. It's the back. This is cute. Okay, y'all, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Y'all already know the deal. You know the deal. And don't forget to check out all of my social medias, because baby, I'm everywhere. I'm everywhere. But yeah, so I will see y'all in my next one. If you guys do like the items that I did get from Amazon, they will be in my Amazon storefront, and that'll be linked down below, so definitely check it out. Okay, so I will see y'all in my next one. Bye, y'all.